Yeah, I mean, obviously playing in Australia, coming back to South Africa, it was different conditions. We had to assess the wicket really early, but I think the first two games we played really well. I think we never really had a strong team, but I think what we've won out of this whole competition is unity. I think that was one thing we spoke about, winning the small victories, and I think the team done really well in that. Although we had youngsters in our team, I'm really excited to see what the future holds for them. Yeah, for me, especially for me, seeing the youngsters bowl like how they do. I mean, they've got in-swinger, they've got slow balls. I mean, they have a lot of variation. It's just for them to come out here, make sure the seniors make sure that they feel comfortable in what they're doing. And I think that's just the way they're going to execute their skill. And I think the way Banetti and KK portrayed themselves out in the middle was really great to see for a senior player like me. Yeah, 100%. I mean, coming back from Australia, everyone has been asking me, when are you guys starting? When are you guys starting? And I told them we probably start in January, February. And I'm really looking forward, obviously, to Christmas, New Year's, but then coming back and playing international cricket back with the family is going to be really exciting times for us. Yeah, I think what we saw today, especially like obviously the youngsters need to come out here knowing that we're going to throw a lot of spin, especially international level as well. I always say it's a learning curve for the youngster and for myself as well. Although I'm old, I think there's still new things for me to learn and capitalize on, and especially for the youngsters, just go out there and just play fearless cricket. I mean, all the hard yards is always put in behind scenes where people don't see, so just for them to go back to their provincial coaches, provincial teams, and just play good cricket at the moment.
It's been really good, and I think the girls have been really good to me as well, and I think we have a really good team, and yeah, it was a lot of fun getting out to play, and obviously playing on Newlands is always a great pleasure, so I had a lot of fun, and we all wish it was a little bit longer, but yeah, I guess it's really good to get some cricket in before the festive season starts. Yeah. I think it's for all the girls, it's a really exciting time. Obviously we've had the opportunity to play in the WBBL, but I think just to get some cricket in as well, especially against Pakistan, it's always a good contest. So I think we've done some good preparation, and I think this is a really good start to get back to the international stage. So yeah, I'm really excited, and obviously we can go home to our families and enjoy the festive season, and then come back with a bang in Jan. I think I had a really good chat to some of the girls in our team, obviously feeling a lot of pressure, and we were in a bit of trouble today with the bat, but I think they've shown some real good maturity and showed that they had a calm head on their shoulders, especially with Landsman coming in today, not playing yesterday, and she bowled brilliantly, and I think just the composure that she showed, and obviously as a captain, that's all I can ask for is if they know what they want to do, then it just makes my job a lot easier. But we obviously back them, and we just want them to express themselves, and they've obviously been working really hard, and they've been some of the better performers at provincial level. So today they've got the opportunity to showcase what they're capable of, and all of them did exactly just that.
Ngizwa ngijabulile kakhulu, and futhi into engenza ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi le stadium esihlala kusona si right, field I right, you can dive, and also pitching yenza izinto right ngoba sometimes I favor ama-batters and sometimes I favor ama-bowlers, so it's very challenging. So ilonto thina vele sifunayo as players, and futhi I like the weather. Ngingasho ukuthi ngoba la kunama youngsters, so mina kumele ngenze ama youngsters abukele kumina ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. So if mina ngidropha ama youngsters bona bazowenza kanjani, so mina kumele ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyaperforma, ngibasethela leyo nto leyo ukuthi nabafuna ukuthi ba improve lapho nalapho.